Hello, the Mr. Boom here and welcome to Forex Business Hub, and in this video we're going to analyze the market for next Monday to Friday, and we will break down the market trends, support and resistance zone, and more price action strategy, and we will also talk about the fundamental news. Okay, so let's see last Friday's entry. As you can see there, we shared on YouTube last Friday in last Friday our analysis. As you can see there, as per our direction market moves, and as you know that last Friday there was NFP, and NFP news data comes very low but positive. As per our fundamental analysis, market have to go up for negative news, and news come with negative data, and we took buy entry, and in our free and VIP channel we took around 330 pips for the news or for the NFP news. And as per you know that in our Telegram channel we are sharing NFP trading tips, NFP trading entry, and here is full instruction we was given. And we took buy, firstly we take 130 pips, and secondly 250 pips, and thirdly that means 330 pips over here. And if you want to see our VIP entry for the NFP days, as you can see there was lot of entry into our VIP. Okay, and we closed around 440 pips profit from our VIP signal with 0.10 lot size. Okay, and we also sharing a lot of analysis like technical analysis and fundamental analysis both. Let me show you. And if we go to our Telegram channel, and I want to talk about our Telegram channel. As you can see that this is our Telegram channel link, and you will find out that into video description box. And if you click on photos, as you can see that we are sharing what is happening around the world each and every moment, and we are sharing also how many times left to come news and what is Donald Trump saying about the market, and we are always sharing that. And we also sharing technical analysis like where to go market, and as you can see there, this analysis comes true. That means this analysis really works, and we have a lot of analysis like that. Okay, so before we start, I really want to tell you guys, please subscribe our channel to get more and more entry or more analysis like this. So as we are trading style, or as per our analysis style, we need to start our analysis with day or weekly time frame first, then we will go for daily time frame, then we will find out our proper entry or market direction for next Monday to Friday with 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame. Okay, so if I want to analyze the weekly time frame, as you can see there, our last week candle closed with a big bullish. That means maybe this is a hammer candle. Okay, as you can see there, and market is on bullish. That means if I want to tell market trends, that is bullish. Okay, and also there is a range from the market. That means market is trying to go down but it unable to go down, market is trying to go up but it unable to go up. As per last NFP result, there was a few job report, that means job data, so that means unemployment is more than previous. So in that case inflation will be bigger than previous. That means if there is inflation for US dollar or United States dollar, gold will go up as per my technical fundamental analysis. You may know that. So let's get back into daily time frame to find out a proper entry. And if I want to draw the zones, like this is the daily time frame higher zones. Okay, if I want to draw that, and if I want to draw the trend line from here to here. Okay, as you can see there is a fake breakout. Okay guys, there is a fake breakout. That means there was a breakout, but for the fundamental there was a breakout for this trend line. And for the fundamental news, that means for the NFP news, market is go up with big bull. Okay, so let's get back into our 4-hour time frame to find out proper direction or find out proper path of the market. Okay, so as you can see there, okay, let me select the another tool, and if I want to draw the trend line for the these three lines, as you can see there, okay, perfect. Now, so as per you can see there, for 4-hour time frame there is a breakout. Okay, and for the breakout trading strategy, one more thing to mention: when news come, any news like NFP, like unemployment claims, ADP news or CPI news, when news comes, there will no technical strategy will work there. Okay, in news time only fundamental, no technical strategy will work there. So you have to follow fundamental news like from forexvictory.com, investing.com, and a lot of websites like that. There you will find out your fundamental analysis, and I will make a detailed video tomorrow, and you will get that into our channel about fundamental strategy and analysis. This video about technical analysis, and we are going to discuss about technical things. Okay, so as per you can see there, there is a breakout, and as per the breakout trading strategy, when a breakout happens, 80% of the time without news. Okay, only for technical analysis without news, or there is no fundamental. When no fundamental works or no news works, then we have to take our technical analysis. Okay, and if a breakout happens, there will be a pullback in 80% case. In 80% case there will be a pullback. Okay, as per you can see there is a breakout, then pullback, and then this zone will retest, and again it will fall more. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to wait into that particular area, for that particular area confirmation. There can be a hammer, inverted hammer confirmation, or there can be a pull bar pin bar confirmation to go sell. Then we can take sell entry around this particular area. Okay, around this particular area till that. Okay, so where our SL would be. Okay, there is a zone, as per you can see there is a resistance zone. So if you take entry around this particular area like 3364, you have to put your SL above that zone, like this it can be 3388, or if you want to lose more, or if you can afford to lose more, you can use more above. So, and I especially suggest 1:3 risk reward ratio. Like if your risk, that means SL 100 pips, your TP should be 300 pips. So you will find that kind of opportunity only, otherwise avoid that. Okay, so there can be one thing happen, and there another thing can be happen in this particular area for confirmation into that pullback area. And if as per the jobless report is more than previous, that means jobless people in United States is more than before, US dollar inflation going higher, so gold may fly more. And if there is no confirmation to go sell, it will give us a breakout again above here. We will wait for the pullback, and upon we get the confirmation to go buy, we will take buy entry around this particular area. Let me show you, around this particular area to this particular area. Okay, there can be 1:2 risk reward ratio. You can take this entry. Okay, there is no prediction. Okay guys, there is no prediction, no gambling. I will never ensure you market will go there, market will go up, or market will go down. We have to wait till candle confirmation. That means we have to wait till this candle, this trend line, or we have to wait till this support zone, or we have to wait till this resistance zone. After we get confirmation, that means double confirmation, there is a trend line confirmation, then again we have to wait for candle confirmation, then we can take a buy or sell entry. And that kind of data we are sending in our Telegram channel. Okay, so you have to learn proper strategy, you have to learn proper technical analysis, then you can take this kind of decision. Okay, and my opinion is, or my suggestion is, try that you learn from us or from YouTube or from someone else that you learn. Firstly, try that on your demo account. Then if it works well, that means if you win rate above 80%, then you can take a real account or you can invest your money. Okay, and let's see for H1 time frame. Okay, as you can see there, for H1 time frame, market is still bullish. Okay, it was taken a try to stop around this zone, but it unable to stop. It just going up and up. Okay, and for H1 time frame, where you can take buy or sell entry, this is a zone, this is the level. So if you get a good confirmation around this particular area, that means around around 3373 zone, you can take a sell entry till that particular area, or if it breaks down, you can wait till that particular area. Let me show you this particular area, or you can wait till this particular area. Okay, that can be your zone. You have to learn how to draw zone, how to identify zone. As you can see there are 1 time, 2 time, and there are 3 time, that means 5 time. And in that particular area, as you can see there is lot of time. If we go previous candle, as you can see there is also a lot of time. Okay, you have to identify those particular zones or areas. Okay, and let me redraw all of them. And for a smaller time frame like me, for our M13 time frame, let's go for M13. So let's remove all of them. As you can see there is a huge zone in this particular area. I have to wait till my confirmation. That means when I get my confirmation, then I will enter the trade. Otherwise, I will wait. I will monitor the market. Okay, as you can see there. Okay, and if I want to find out more zone like that, there is another zone. Okay, to go buy. And for Monday morning, what I will do? You may ask me, Mr. Boom, what you will do on Monday morning? I will wait for M13 time frame, that means smaller time frame. As per we are a scalper or swing trader, it may go up, more up, and it may go more down. Then I will take another buy entry into this particular area. You may ask me, Mr. Boom, why you will take buy entry in this particular area till that zone? Okay, why you will take buy entry? As you can see there is a few candle confirmation. As you can see there is a pin bar, that means price trying to go down, but buyers are pushing in this particular area. As you can see there is a bullish pin bar. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit more. As you can see there is a bullish pin bar, and again it's just trying to go up, but seller create a pressure over here, but we have got a engulfing confirmation in this particular candle. Okay, so you may take buy entry below this candle, that means bottom of this candle. Okay, that is trying to go up, and it will go more up, I know, as per the technical analysis. And after it get back, that means pull back after breakout, I will take buy entry if I get candle confirmation like this engulfing, this pin bar. Okay, as you can see there is hammer confirmation. So if I get that, I will go for buy. Okay, so this is the simple theory by Mr. Boom. And if you want to trade, my advice will be wait for confirmation. Until you got confirmation, you have to wait and you have to research the market. And somebody are taking trades like I have free time now. Okay, let's take entry. That entry got SL. Okay, you have to wait for the market. Market will never wait for you. Okay, so I hope all things clear now. For more query or for if you have more query, you can join our Telegram channel, or each and every moment update, you can join our Telegram channel. There we are super active and sending a lot of analysis, like technical and fundamental analysis, into our public Telegram channel, so you may join there. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.